Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So for today's video, we're going to be talking about how to make your own dropshipping using Ecwid via AliExpress. And it's actually pretty easy, so you won't have to worry too much about doing too much to the website or your dropshipping. Everything is free, so you don't have to worry about paying anything. But of course, if you want to pay for features, you can also upgrade whenever you want. So you can get the venture, you can get the business, or unlimited with all these different features that you can get if you pay for those. For now, we're just going to be doing the free version. And now let's go ahead and get started. So let's start by logging in here. And you can also log in using Apple or sign in using Apple or Facebook or Google. But for this one, I'm just going to be using my email. So let's go ahead and just log in or sign in if you don't have an account already. So now we end up here in this page, which is the dashboard. You can set up your own websites and storefront. Everything is pretty much done for the account, about 17%. But you can also add products and services, review regional settings. So you can go through different things on this page of the website. And then we're going to be using AliExpress for our dropshipping. So let's go ahead and do that. First things first is we're going to want to install an app or dropshipping app. So let's go ahead to the apps tab here and click that, and then go to the app market and then end up here in the app market page. We can either look up the dropshipping app through the search bar up here, but we actually have a button here at the left, and we're gonna end up here in the dropshipping apps. There's some free ones like this SUP dropshipping, and there's also all these other ones as well. But for this instance, we're gonna use SUP dropshipping for. So let's go ahead and click that, and then you end up here, which is, as you can see, it's free. It even has 4 stars, so that's great. So you can also check out all the details of this app. It has direct sourcing and a few other features. But for now, let's go ahead and open the app. And then you end up here. But let's go ahead and open up the dashboard. This is basically what it looks like. And it has all these features. You have total sales, money saved, wallet, and it even has graphs. Here are the recent order lists that you have. You can also check the pricing of the products using the sourcing tab. You can also check for a better price, sourcing results, and also imported products. So you can check all the details here. For this one, we have a sample here. And let's go ahead and see what's just a picture. And we can also view the source if you want to. You can check the orders, the products, print on demand. You can also check the stores. So there's a bunch of them here: Shopify, TikTok. You can sell onto all those other places. But for now, let's go ahead and try to import our own product here using AliExpress. So here we can check out all the stuff that they have to offer. Let's go ahead and change this up from Philippines to United States. And then we can also change the state if we want, but we're just going to keep it in Alabama. So click Save. And then we end up back here. So let's go ahead and check what we can use for the sample product. Let's see, what else do they have here? Maybe we can use this instead. All right, so let's try this one. And we'll be able to connect it to our Ecwid. So it has different colors, and let's just go ahead and close that. And then we can check the details of the page of the product. We can also check and see what's more options here it has. All right. Now we can just go ahead and copy paste the link here If we want to check out anything else, what else is here? Just the information, photos of the product. So let's go ahead and move back to SUP, and then we can just copy and paste that, import product, and then enter the product title, which is this long one. Let's go ahead and copy that. So a bit long. Maybe we'll change that once we copy it down. So let's go ahead and get rid of some of this. We can just chop off that. Maybe we can remove the sound earphones. And I think we'll just leave it at that and then import it. So AliExpress URL importing is being upgraded and will be available soon. So I guess the AliExpress link isn't working right now, but we can definitely try using a different store. For now, let's go ahead and try and use the demo version and check the source for this one instead. And then it'll just take a few seconds to send us to the source of the item. And then we end up, okay, sorry, we detected. All right, just slide that. And then we can go ahead and take a look where this product is, which is on 1688, which is another Chinese website. Let's go ahead and see. So that's basically what they have there. Of course, when AliExpress decides to fix their URL issue, you'll be able to use their link, so you can link it to your shop dropship. But for now, let's go ahead and list this to store, and you end up here in the list to store page. You can ship from wherever you're shipping from, and then to the Ecwid store. And then you can also select the category, as well as set the price here. But now let's go ahead and close this. It's loading the page here. Let's go ahead and just close these tabs for now. Maybe we can keep AliExpress. But yeah, here's all the stuff that you can choose and get all the links from there. Let's go ahead and refresh this. Okay, there we go. So basically, once you have listed the item, you end up back here to the listed tab. You can view all the information about your product. And we can just go through all these and change all the information that you need. Let's go ahead and go to the product again. And yeah, basically you can edit all of this, change everything. You can add the images for your product. You can even put a product title, so what you want to name your product. Let's put phone holder here. You can also change the description about the product itself. It's a phone holder. That's pretty much it. And then once you're done with that, you can click the list it now, so you can have it ready to go on your store. It's taking a while to load again. And then once that's done, you can check through the orders, and then you can go through the products tab and see that it will be listed here. Sadly, the AliExpress link wasn't working, but you can definitely use other stores for the meantime. But you can try other stores as well. And that's pretty much it for the video. Hopefully this video has been of some help to you. So make sure to like and subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment down below if I missed anything. And we'll see you again next time.